Hello and welcome back. We are going to do the last part of this module, which is to create a watermark. So, in order to do that, we're going to go to our Design tab. Oh, there it is. From our Design tab, we're going to select Watermark. From Watermark, we want to go to Custom Watermark. From there, you're going to get a screen that prompts. Right now it says no watermark. We want to change it to picture watermark. Once we select picture watermark, we want to go to where it says select picture. Once we go to select picture, insert picture, we're going to go from file, browse. Once we go from file, browse, it's going to pull up pictures. But what we have to do, because we don't already have it uploaded into our computer system, I have to exit out of all of this and I have to go to Google Classroom. Actually, I should already have this in my file because we downloaded it from beforehand. So I'm going to go to my downloads. We downloaded the zip file, data files, module 4, and I am looking for where it says colorful paw prints. I'm going to click that and I'm going to put it into my pictures. So I clicked it. When I click and I drag, it automatically goes into my pictures and it says copy to pictures. Okay? It's coming up with this because I just did it. So I'm just going to hit the X and leave it alone. All right, now I'm going to exit out of here. Now I can go back into my watermark, go to custom watermark, picture watermark, select picture, browse from file, and now I should have colored paw prints in here. There we go, right there. Colorful paw prints pattern. Click it, insert it. It's going to pop up right here. I want to make sure that I keep my washout. My scale is auto. Text watermark, I want to leave blank. I want to apply. Once I apply, guess what? You see it all in the background. Then I'm going to hit close. Once I do that, now you see all the colorful paw prints in the background. Last thing we're going to do is check for spelling. So we're going to go to review. We're going to go to spelling and grammar. We're going to keep all the names. So ignore the names. Ignore all the names. And all the abbreviations, ignore all of those. Ignore all, ignore all. After that, spelling and grammar is complete. Ladies and gentlemen, you are done. Your work is complete. You can save it. And now you can submit for Ms. Hall. Thank you.